Okay, so what is a lawless lure? This right here is a lawless lure. This shit right here. That's the front, there's the back. Now I've already done opened these and put them in the box I wanted them in. So let me just get one out and I'll show you right now. These are the 3.25 lawless lures, recoil baits. These are the 4.25s. Let's get them in the water and try it. In fact, wait a minute and I'll show you how it works on the line. So I'm using an ugly stick. This is the Shakespeare ugly stick, and a crystal, a Mitchell reel. Don't know exactly what Mitchell it is. Oh, it's the 5500 Mitchell reel. And this is the lawless lure. The way the lawless lure works is, every time you jerk on that line, it's going to bounce up and down, as if the fish is dying, just like that. Let's go try it next to the water's edge. So I have casted it out a couple of times, the fish followed it in, but I might need to go down to 3.25 because there's only a few really big fish in here, reaching about 4 pounds in weight. Let's have a little try. Let's have a go, shall we? I'll bring you back a bit so you sort of get a decent view of everything that's going on, and hopefully see some of the fish jumping as well. Let's go. Yep, we've got a fish on. Put on the 4.25. Let's go. Yes. There's a fish jack. There's actually other fish following it in at the same time. Might need to reposition the camera so you guys can see it better. Let's go. The hook has came out in the net. Jack, enough. Just give me 2 minutes and I'll show you the fish. There's a fish right there. Enough. Hey, stop your barking.